Hey guys, welcome back to Nail Pura. I'm batch creating today. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I'm the owner of Nail Pura. I run this business with my husband Daniel from our flat in London. Okay, so today's video we're making a face oil for combination skin. It's a series of face oil that I'm making. I've already made one for dry skin, so we're gonna make one for combination skin. We're gonna start off with our first oil, which is our jojoba oil. We're making a 15 grams batch of this, by the way. So jojoba oil, we need 5.3 grams. Grapeseed oil, we need 2.85 grams. Rosehip oil, we need 2.85 grams. Squalane, we need 2.1 grams. And squalane is really going to help with greasiness in this oil. It's going to reduce that. Then we need argan oil, 1.8 grams. Vitamin E oil is 0.15 grams, 0.15 grams of vitamin E oil. I'm going to be using geranium essential oil for this face oil for combination skin, because geranium oil is really good for balancing and keeping the skin fresh, or making the skin feel fresh. So we need 0.08 grams of geranium oil. So now let's mix all of that together. And just do this for about 10 to 15 seconds, because we're going to shake this in our bottle anyway. And we're ready to pour. So let's zoom in a little bit as we're pouring. Awesome. So let me pour from this side. It looks a little bit better. So pour that in. Again, this is a 15 grams batch that we've made. However, I don't think this container is 15 grams. I think it's 10, hence the reason I have leftover every time I make something. So give this a good shake. Make sure all your ingredients is nicely and well combined. And once it's done, your face oil is ready for you to use.